vahva. aga mis mulle tundub, on selle 5-man Battle Royale'iga on see, et siin ei ole nagu player limiiti, vaid siin on ajalimiit. Kui nad tulevad sisse inimesed, siis mäng läheb lukku. Mingi aeg on täis serveril ja siis on plõks, läheb lukku. I used to be indeed. Not anymore. Ciao, Rauno! ei, arvatavasti ma ei mängi. Come on. Hello! Let's go church. Lähme alla. Lähme alla.
Lähme kirikusse.
Jaa, ma lähen kirikusse, karma, reset, please.
Kas sa oled kõige all või?
Ma ei tea.
Seal on kiriku ees, jah.
Mis see kõige praegu maandub või?
Mina vaandasin praegu.
Sa oled kõige all.
Siin on shotgun siin.
Olen kõrva, vaia. Oi!
AR on ka siin teisel korrusel.
I'm hiding, fuck this shit.
There's shotgun in church, man. Just get it and kill them.
Ooh,
Kill them. Don't hide.
shotgun, I kill them all.
jaa, ma proovin järgmist siin vaitida, Inno. Hakkan Crowtopiat mängima või?
Tere.
Oi.
Jõumees.
Hello.
Kuhu minek?
Ja tahaks auto leida tegelikult.
Jah.
Tõesti haige, siin ei ole autot nagu. We need a ride, my friends. Kerli, sa oled siin ikka või?
Ära ütle, et Kerl...
Kerli ei kuule meid jälle või on crashed.
Ooh, I'm not the first person to die.
Kerli!
Chat on tühi.
And we have a crash.
Meie mõtlesin keegi punase maast kiriku kõrva.
Kenno, ma mõtlesin uuel aastal pigem, sest et detsembrikuu on selline umbes, et mul on suht perses tööpäevad, ehk siis 6 korda nädalas ja mingi loll graafik ja värki. Ja siis ma lihtsalt mõtlesin, et ma alustan pigem uuel aastal nii-öelda normaalselt, noh. Mitte kuskilt poole pealt mingi detsembrikuus, noh. Okei, Kerli lihtsalt ei kuule meid, ta saab mängida küll. Ta ei kuule meid, jah. Ehk siis Kerli tuleb telepaatia ja mingite asjadega järgi meile. Jumal on räigelt AR ei kuula.
Kes see ees on seal?
Mina. We need a ride, boys. Fuck.
Allan on meie mingi tiimi, mingi liider või?
Jaa, Allah, snackbar.
Oh, rasija. Mis siin on? Siin majas on ka tavaliselt head lugu.
Siin pole üldiselt autot, me peame ilmselt jooksma.
Suht sitt, jah.
Auto saada.
Oh my god. We need a ride.
Kurat, ma ei oska siit maast enam
Ma olen...
I'm still alive, wow.
Ooo.
I found a gun as well. I'm doing really good.
Ooo. Nice.
Aidake, ma ei oska enam majast välja tulla. Ma olen maja siin.
Mis majja sa läksid?
Mis kastist oled?
H7. Lasnamäe maja tal, põhimõtteliselt.
Ma olen mingit Lasnamäe majas. Ei ole.
Minecrafti streamin. Ma ei tea, vaevalt, et see juhtub niipea kui üldse. Fuck that, ne. Surprise. See ematas korraks. Tere, sul oli endal muted, jah?
Ei olnud muted, ma lihtsalt läksin settingutesse ja vajutasin disable ja enable ja nüüd kuulen jälle.
Okei. Selge, Nacho. Meil siin teisigi.
Around me.
What? Oh, where are you?
people around.
Where are you?
There's
What
like
square?
apartments here.
What square? Position?
Position over.
How do you say?
Oh my god, I see someone.
It's under screen.
Behind your back.
Right side. Look at right side. Position and health.
Tahad midagi või? AR-i või? Saa sul on?
Mina või? Ei, mul pole vaja.
Ma ei taha mängida Minecrafti, for fuck's sakes, raisk. Jesus Christ, ma ei taha seda mängida. Fuck it.
Mul on AR-il üle 100 kuuli.
Tervist, Boom Game. Farmville'i võiks küll streamida, jah.
ATV on ka ära võetud.
Täiesti haige, mitte midagi ei ole, noh. Rotid on kallal käinud.
Ja võtsime.
Me oleme safe zone'is.
Ma olen praegu politseiaut on ka ära võetud. Ma ei tea, kes on politsei.
Ei pea, Rauno, mitte midagi tegema. Kui sa võidad, siis ma lihtsalt saadan sulle Twitch'is message'i mängukoodiga.
Ei ole hästi.
Kus te olete? Where are you? Where are you, Sir Toxic?
H7.
I think it's T5.
Oh! You're so far from us.
Close.
No.
That's not good.
We're H7.
Yeah, we're H7.
It's okay, I hide. I'm professional.
Okei, otsustame, mis me teeme, kuulge. Lähme,
Kokku kuidagi.
Teeks kokku seda.
läheks Cranberry North Side'ist välja, linnast. Kõige northim side, nagu see, kus on need Lasnamäe majad, siis läheb pikalt tee välja, nagu. Boom Game, ma ei oska sellele küsimusele vastata mees, tõesti.
Don't worry about me.
You are a solo wolf. Kill them all.
I'm a lone wolf,
On
you
ta
know?
seifis ikka või?
Lone wolf, yeah.
Best wolf.
You need to go east, man, to stay alive.
keegi on meist.
Teine ATV.
kes ATV-ga?
Ma kuulen, Kerli plöriseb siin.
Oota. Keegi saa ATV või?
Ta.
Kerli, sõida, otsime auto. Sõida! Sõida tammi juurde. Otse pane otse.
tead, ära võetud.
Proovime leida, pane otse, vaatame.
Midagi
Ei peata otsa või?
Jaa.
Mitte mingit.
Kuule, anna ma juhin ise, kuule.
God damn it!
Oh, I see someone. I see my team. The green guy. I see my team. Hello.
Paremalt. Kalle, kuuled
My
või?
green.
Mida?
Ei midagi, ega me ei saa teda peale võtta nagunii.
Las ta jookseb teile järgi.
seal peab pommi.
Kuulsin pommiili. Tulen pommiili juurde.
Oh my god.
Kus kohas te olete? Mis te pidite?
Me otsime autot,
I see a green guy. Ooh.
We're coming for you,
Ooh.
This is rescue mission.
Kus te olete?
I kill everyone.
We are looking for car.
I hope not including us.
You can't kill your team, no?
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Oh, I'll kill you all then. Nah, I joke.
Kus koha, mis te position?
Me oleme G6, aga me otsime autot lihtsalt praegu hetkel.
E6 või? Ma olen ikka veel H7.
This game is pretty good. There is steak
Yes.
there is some trees there. Some...
Mu kõrval.
There's people to kill.
Oh, there is some people like us for swimming. It's okay.
Auto, we found a car! We found 2 cars!
Kus te olete?
Oh yeah, pick me up. Let's do some drive-bys.
Where are you?
Ja võtke mõlemad, võtke mõlemad.
oota, kus teist nägid?
Seal nurga taga.
kaks tükki.
siin võib luuti ka olla veel
Miks
muidu.
ma leian nii
Võib.
Võib.
military backpack, aga ei ole.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, man? I'm coming for you.
I'm on the bridge now. Under the bridge.
What
There is some
what
retards up
position?
there.
What position?
Let me check now.
tulge H7-st.
oodake, me korjame üles. see wifi on ülikaugel, proovime ta üles korjata.
I can't see myself in the map anymore for some reason.
No, look at the right side, position and health and everything.
H7.
okei.
ta on H7.
H7, yeah.
kuidas see siia sai juba?
Toxic gas. Toxic gas, that's bad.
Kerl, üks on ees, üks on ees.
ees on inimene. see oli hea praegu.
You are not intoxicated. H7 is
I'm pretty fast, you know, I like running.
We're coming with cars.
ma leian naaber.
We have a
Oh,
lot
you're
of
pretty good at
cars.
this game, my friend.
Lucky shot.
Killing everyone. Professional.
H7.
Yeah, I'm under the bridge because there's some guys up there. With like a
okei,
AK.
lähme tagasi, Kerli.
On the bridge.
No, Kalashnikov.
mis sa arvad, kuidas ta sinna sai too?
siin ei ole sildi.
Oh, there is some guy up here. With his car. There is 2 cars here.
kuidas see võimalik on, et me ei näe teda või tähendab meid, oota, kuidas ta H7-st sai?
ma ei tea.
H7 ei ole mingit sildi.
ma ei usu.
There is like apartments there.
siis ta on
There's 2
küll
apartments.
juures.
ei, siis ta on ikka, siis ta on seal silla juures. seal on ju need Lasnamäe majad.
siin äkki.
ma olen
siin ei ole.
Lasnamäe majade kõrval.
aa, okei.
ma tean küll, seal
Just
on
like- Electricity tower is here. If that helps.
Yeah, okei, I know where you are. Wait, I m coming. ei, ta ikka on seal, seal on ka elektrise torn ju, ülisuur.
jaa.
siis ta peab ikka olema
All
H7-s.
buildings from Estonia.
Wait, I m coming.
Lasnamäe is from Estonia, right?
latsud
Jep.
kasvavad muide sealt samast.
Oh, I see you. Just stand.
Oh, okay. Don't shoot me, my friend.
tulge kirik.
No.
Kirik.
You see me?
Oh, I see you, my green friend.
No.
I think I see you. But there is some guys.
No, it's not you. Wait. Hey,
shit,
no.
Bye.
No, it's not you. Oh no. We're in H7 right
I
now,
see
we
two.
can't see you.
I see 2 of you. Yeah, I see 2 of you green guys. You're like next to the petrol station. I see you,
Yep.
I see your car. Policeman.
What? Where are you? What the hell?
I'm there.
tule järgi mulle, Kalle.
Hello. Hello, my friends.
Oh, hello.
jep.
Let's go do some drive.
Ciao, Sudi.
keegi oli kiriku juures.
Pick me up, please.
me tuleme kiriku juurde.
Jaa.
I'm doing pretty good, no?
Yes. You're alive.
Yeah, that's good. I say I hide.
sa oled politseiautos või?
jaa, 2 politseiautot.
seal on mingi vend. Majas. seal majas vaatab välja.
Oh, kill them all.
In the house.
Öösel on ka.
Got strong pistol.
We should go, fuck him. Swek.
sul on see hernemasin.
Let's do this, my friends.
jaa.
hernemask või?
päris vaatasin ka.
vaatasin ka seda, mis asi see on üldse. päris lahe mask.
Oh, he has a pumpkin in his head.
jep.
Halloween is over already, you know?
jaa.
Scary Halloween, man.
okei, see ei vii eriti kuhugi, lähme tagasi.
So what's the point of the game? We have to kill all the motherfuckers?
Yep.
Oh, I like that.
We need to kill them, rape them, punish them.
Ooh. Punish them. Send them back to the
Yes. Yes.
hell. Oh, I like that.
kus on üks
But first we need to find them.
Okay, like hide and seek, you know?
Yes. We can hide if
can
you
do
want
whatever you
to.
did.
Oh, nice creep over here. We can loot. Yes. Ah!
Oho.
Tegin trikki. Let's loot.
Oh, that's pretty good jump there, my friend.
Yes.
Thank you.
You know you're driving very well.
Keegi tahab AR-i kuulaja. Mul on neid 200.
Oota.
mis tuleb teha, kas sulle üks tüdruk meeldib või? Lihtsalt oota. Lihtsalt oota, küll ta tuleb su juurde ise. Aga noh, kui sa jäid liiga kauaks ootama, siis ära mind süüdista. Just hide, just hide, just hide.
Okei, hide. Bye bye.
Sain kuulivesti vähemalt. Nice.
Ta on ka, näe siia. Selle mees käis keegi või? Ma jooksin sinna suurde villasse.
Ma olen vist täiesti suures villas hetkel.
Näh!
Oh, find a Molotov.
Yes, very good, very good. Good item.
I can do Alu Akma with my Molotov.
Don't blow this up.
Don't do this, don't do this,
worry,
don't
I'm
throw
a
this.
professional. You blow up everyone else. Well, except us.
Oh, somebody's shooting, somebody's shooting, somebody's shooting.
Shots fired.
Yes, yes, yes.
Meie oma.
Oli või? Fuck.
Well,
Läks lahti,
don't
jah?
shoot me, my friend. I'm just a friendly friend with a Molotov. Oh, police is...
Ma ei võta kuuli üles sellepärast, et see on täielik overkill omada mingi, ma ei tea, mingi 700 kuuli, 800 kuuli. Täiesti mõttetu on pikkida üles liiga palju kuule ja siis sul ei ole nagu pärast kotis ruumi, et omada, ma sõidan ringi ühega. Et omada, ma ei tea, first aid kit'e või ma ei tea, bandage'id või mida iganes nagu, see on täiesti mõttetu reaalselt ruum ära. Ma ei saa aru inimestest, kes korjavad üles mingi reaalselt 100 shotgun'i kuuli ja niimoodi nagu. See on täiesti mõttetu, sa saad ennem surma. Ja sa saad killides alati asju juurde, alati juurde.
Don't take my car.
Et no, see on nagu, yeah. Ma arvan, et hetkel on kõikidel päris palju kuule välja arvatud meie inglasest sõbral.
Salasid sireeni või?
Alahu kebabu! Oh man, we need to go. We need to go!
Oh, I'm coming, my friend. I'm sorry.
Jaa, nagu maksimum 30-40 kuuli, nagu see on reaalne maksimum juba. See on...
You guys lost me, you drive away. I'll be like... Okay.
Everybody here? What?
Yeah.
Everyone on board.
Where are you? No, 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 he's there, he's there.
Näete, tuleb.
Tagurda! Back up! Back up!
Can't see you.
Two policemen.
You running? The screwdriver.
You go with my girl.
Police
Oh, never
is
mind.
running away from you.
Oh, ees lasevad. Shots fired!
I'm a suicide bomber, don't worry.
Shots fired over there! Fuck! Wrong button!
Oh, seal on 2 sendi vasakul.
Oh, there is people. I'm gonna blow myself up.
Paremal on.
So many people, hit them! One is low. Ah! Somebody's shooting at me! They're over there! Oh, never mind, it's ours.
Mina.
It's ours.
This game is scary.
Watch out, guys.
I think I killed someone.
oo , meie kõrval on toksik gaasi .
Yo, should we go? Cause there is some green shit here. Shit here. Let's go.
Wait,
the green
wait,
shit
wait.
is coming.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Oh, yo, man.
Wait me, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming!
Friend, you're bleeding. You got
Let's
some
do
problem.
this.
Yo, the green shit is coming. Run, go, go, go.
We need to go, we need to go! He's on balcony, he's on balcony, he's on balcony!
Drive, my friend. You're too slow. You're dead, my friend. Bye.
Lolla, Vaski lihtsalt suri ära. Kus sa oled, Kerli?
Green shit is coming.
Kerli, sa disconnect'i või?
bandaaže siin .
Pumpkinhead.
Ma võtan su peale, Kerli, ta on katusel seal.
Everyone's talking so many times.
Tule ära, ma katan sind. Oh my god.
Noortis .
Tule!
Oh, drive away, my friend. They're shooting at us.
ma pliidin muidu .
Kasuta . Oh my god!
There's
No! Oh, I fucked up, tule välja.
ma olen ammu väljas juba .
Okei.
Let's just go away from here, cause this is stupid. Green gas is coming. Think you fell through the world or some shit.
Oh, ma jooksen üldse ,
My friend, he's...
oota , ma jooksen valele poole üldse , ma jooksen east'i .
Oh, hello.
I'm coming .
I'm a drive-by, man.
oota , teil on auto alles , oodake mind .
Yeah, of course.
I'm coming . Hello!
The green gas is coming.
2 police cars over there .
There is another police car on the hills.
Let's get these
There is a car in
cars
the hill. There is
I
two
want
people
my
up
own
there.
car.
People up there. Hello.
Never mind .
Let's kill the guys in the car.
Watch out.
They moved away, careful. Be careful.
We need spark plugs here .
You driving very well, my friend. Where did you get license? I don't think.
Let's go . Lähme north ära .
Speak English. It's bit bumpy.
English is awkward
Why?
when you speak Estonian always . Wait , I have a car .
Like I can't speak Estonian.
Nice!
It's like horrible, I guess. Like, oh my god, this accent is horrible. So I'm like, nah.
Someone can come to
Like,
my
oh, he's
car .
Russian. Well, I'm not Russian, so.
Russia very nice, my friend . Ruski jest ? Davai . Let's go this way, my friends . Follow me , I lead the way . No .
Yeah, my driver will follow you.
To the bison .
I got very good driver. So are we doing okay? How
Yes.
is this going?
Only 17 people .
17 people left .
Okay, we have to kill them all, yeah?
Oh , right side one guy .
Yeah, I like this guy.
He's down .
Oh, I get.
võib veel olla .
Take bullets .
There might be more of them .
Oh, I got the Alu Aqua bomb. Gonna blow everyone up. Oh, Geff, put some pretense of shooting. Geff, I'm coming. Some good gun. Let's go.
Let's do this . Whoa .
Okay, I got automatic gun so we can kill them all now. Pistol is for pussies. My friend, my fuel is running out.
Yeah, I see.
Let's go to the nearest petrol station.
Camp station. Inimesi on alles 16, nagu sa paremalt ülevalt saad ka ise vaadata. 16 vennikest on alles. Vaipu istub seal auto sees. Auto
I
mingi...
think I'm doing pretty well.
Yes.
I got some pistols. Got
Yes.
some health package. I got... pretty
Let's
well,
do
I
this.
guess.
Let's find them and fuck them.
Let's fuck them up very well.
Yes.
Oh, careful.
I am a mad driver.
Yeah, my driver has mad skills.
Trust me, please.
You could also call him, you know, Mads, because my name is DJ Matt Waifu. No? Not a very good joke, no.
Oh no. Oh, there's one guy. Never mind.
I could hire him in real life. He has pretty good skill. Video games.
Inglise keelt on alati naljakas kuulda, kui sa oled terve aeg mingi striimid nii eesti keeles, vaata, onju. See on minu arust jumala hea kuulda vahelduseks mingit teist keelt, nagu see on alati nii, nagu kuidas
Can you
öelda.
eat food here in this game?
No, not in here. On the survival.
Why there is no potatoes or something? Like,
No
you can
potatoes.
have
No patata, no patata.
You
Oh,
can
I'm sorry.
eat blackberries actually.
Yeah,
sorry?
you can take blackberries.
Oh, I like blackberries. You can make a nice cake.
You wanna try? You wanna
Yeah,
try? Okay. Wait. Let's find some blackberries.
Okay, for there's a lake there, my friend.
First time experience. Look, there's blackberries here.
So let me...
Come and taste them.
blackberries. Oh, shit. I only got brunch, my friend. That's not berries.
No, you're in wrong space, man. You're in wrong.
Oh, I had to-
Your driver took you the wrong place. tule siia, seal taga on berrid.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Get the first time experience of blackberry over here.
Oh, yo, I got some... mercenary grades. It's not like
Oh. Now eat berries and tell me how they taste.
Oh, it's okay. I got some.
Issand jumal, see on nii fucking troll lihtsalt. Ei tähtis, ta on küll,
Chat thinks I'm not English. That's not funny.
ta on olnud, või tähendab, ta vist on,
Hello Twitch chat.
ma ei tea, Eestis
I see you.
sündinud, aga ta elab Inglismaal, seda ma tean. Midagi sellist nagu, ma ei tea täpselt.
13.
Siis 9.
Okei, see mägi seal. Selle mäe peal seal üleval. Let's do this! Allahu Akbar!
ISIS is bombing us. Careful, guys.
ISIS is bombing indeed. No, not ISIS, it's France and Russia. We survived.
Super ISIS.
Now we must say Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Oh my god. Okay, there's one guy, don't go, no! Ah! Fucking... There's one guy over there. Don't peek. He's behind
My car is there. I have to look after the car, no?
He threw a grenade.
Oh, careful, my friend.
Yep,
Hetked sisse.
he's over there.
Okay.
Tubli, sweet one.
Oh, careful.
We can flank him. Just shoot him from over here. I go and flank him.
Okay, I
Just
jump
keep
into
him busy. Keep him busy, guys. Just shoot. I'll try to flank him. If his zombie doesn't realize.
Oh, you burning him alive. Like a roast pig.
Oh, he left. Ah, I'm burning. Ah! 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 Fuck! We're in safe zone, I think. Yep, we should be safe.
There's a car right there.
Who's
He's
throwing
running in
this?
the
What the
forest.
fuck?
Someone threw.
He's over here, over
In
here!
the forest. My gun-
Mine pekki see mäng, see vision, täiesti haige! Fuck me, Bangholio! Got him. Jesus, ma vihkan seda, kui see vision blokib ära su selle... Või tähendab, kui see su laskmis nii-öelda see nurk blokeerib ära su selle kuradi ma fucking visioni, noh. Sa ei saa lasta lihtsalt. Sa pead selle kirbu panema peale, rõve. Where's the last guys? What? Where?
Mina olen
Oh, there is great.
vaat sinna suunda. Näed või? Seal
No.
taga on auto. See oli enne teises kohas, liikus sinna just. Näed või? Kus sa oled?
We need to go north. So... we're safe, I think. Oh no, never mind, we're not.
Oh, 10 people. I'm doing
Forest
pretty good
is
on
safe.
my
Forest
third
is safe
time
zone. Forest is safe zone. Let's go with one car.
Okay. Who's driving?
I'm
Is this
driving.
good driver? He's on
Yes.
fire though. My friend,
No.
you're on fire.
No, it's bug.
We're gonna make the car explode.
Yeah, you're on fire.
No, you guys are on fire. You're burning.
Oh, careful. He's a suicide driver.
No, I'm a good driver, I must say.
Should we call like
Airdrop right there.
all firefighters? Because
Ah!
don't know how to drive.
Alakpa!
Don't know how to drive.
Alakpa! Whoops! Ai! Ai, блядь! Ah, пиздец!
This guy doesn't
Пиздец,
know how to drive.
пиздец. Yes,
Doesn't know
I
how to
only
drive.
know how to kill. Only know how to kill, man.
Do you even have a car license?
Yes.
What the fuck? Who gave you them? A tractor driver or some shit? She don't know how to drive for shit. Jesus. When I was 5 years old, I was driving a tractor.
Wait.
How old are you?
25.
What the fuck?
Oh, one guy is on cliff.
20 years between.
One guy is on cliff. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Ja rohkem.
Two guys at least.
Loodame.
On the cliff.
Hello team.
3 guys.
Hello team. You're shooting everyone.
I see at least 3 guys.
Did you go up in the hill?
Yeah.
We're safe here. We're safe here. They need to go down.
Be safe.
Yeah, we're safe here.
Yeah.
We don't need to move.
Look,
can-
I'm doing pretty good, no?
we can
I
flank
said
them,
I
we
was
can
gonna
flank them.
hide. I'm running around.
Stay there and shoot them. We're trying to flank them.
Okay. I stay. There is... Ooh.
No vaatame, kas me saame sellega hakkama või mitte. Oh, okay, we see one guy. Ära ürita, Kerli, ära ürita flankida, see on täiesti pekkes. Neil on nii palju parem ground, nagu nad on kõrgemal. Ja seal on jeep ka paremal veel.
Should we just stay here in the forest?
Yeah, we're safe. Stay here.
See, I know I'm smart, you know?
Yes.
Stay in the
Just
forest,
hide,
come
just
to
hide,
us,
man.
Kill them, we win. Oh, Allahu Akbar.
Just
Oh, that
hide.
was close one.
Täiesti uskumatu.
Who is throwing this shit?
I'm
Who
going up.
throws this shit, you know?
I'm going up the cliff. Trying to flank them.
Pomm kukkus ette teile
Hello?
taha ja ma jäin täpselt vahele.
Oh shit, there's a lot of dead guys here. I see them.
I see.
Täiesti haige, sa ei näe mitte sittagi. Rõve lihtsalt. Oh, they saw me. Fuck! Shoot them!
Shoot them!
Shoot them!
Shoot them! Shoot them! Shoot them! happened?
Two guys.
They shoot us.
Hackers, report them all.
I didn't see anyone there. What the
What
hell?
happened?
Oh, there's so many of them. They're going up the hill again.
That was sad.
Fucking hell, täiesti haige.
see gaasipiir .
Rõve see poison või tähendab see need
oi , nad on siin , vaata kus auto üüri juurde keerasid .
no mida kuradi , mis see poison teeb , ma ei saa aru nagu , mis kurat toimub hetkel ? kus persses see safe zone on , ma ei saa aru . ma ei saa esimest korda aru , kus safe zone on nagu . täiesti fucked up , kas see on seal all või ? Jesus fuck , ma ei saa mitte sitta kõrva hetkel . ma ei saa reaalselt aru , kus safe zone on nagu , ma olen täiesti lammas hetkel . What the fuck noh . Where is the safe zone ? okei , either ma jõuan safe zone'ist välja või ma bleedin surnuks või tähendab suren poisonisse . Fuck it , nagu ma ei viitsi hakata hiilima ennast . nojah , minge persse nagu , GG lihtsalt , täiesti putkas noh .